question. What is it? Are you guys familiar with Doctors Without Borders? Yes. Exactly why we're out here. Guys, we were super young. I want to say 26, 20. I could be 22.
Flattering. Very flattering.
Am I wrong?
Yes. By a few years.
Oh, wow. So, you're probably already familiar with Doctors Without Borders. I don't really want to take too much of you guys' day, but I'd love to show you what we got going on if you don't mind.
Oh, I'm already donating the $20 a month. I love that.
Thank you for your support.
You're welcome.
Well, I hope you guys have a great day, man.
Thank you. You too. Ice cream. Oh my goodness. They're all fighting over some smushed piece of food. Can't we all just get along?
Go right back at
I just hate that I got here so late. I got at like 3, and I took the train to get here. So I caught the train from Perth, Virginia.
So the real story is, I was going to a local bar for a game night then, and we had some 2 Doctors Without Borders people out there.
Okay.
And they were telling me that they had just come from DC to here, and we were talking about the humidity there versus here, and they got me and they're like, come on, donate. And so I did. I signed up to donate. Did not find out until later that it was like a $20 a month situation, not just a one-time donation, which I then had to cancel because I was just getting what. But yeah, now I get out of it whenever I see them again. Tell them they already, and then one of them came in my house. Yeah.
I didn't know, like, I knew they were just, like, big organizations, so I guess because of that, I never thought that they, like, went out and just, like, you know, like, talk to people, like, in public and stuff.
No, they do. That's how they get donations. Money's tight. Do you know what? Oh, that's the EPA.
Oh, nice.
That's the EPA building. Cool. That looks really like stone and column-y.
Yeah.
Not what I think of when I think of the EPA.
I wonder if they do tours.
I doubt it. It's like an office, isn't it?
That's a good point. Yeah,
Probably. I'll Google it though when we get to where we can stop. Because I am curious, what if they do? What if it's the first EPA building? That's historical.
They did a good job.
I like how he has a cow. He's lounging against the cow. This is the American History Museum. I did not get to go to it this trip, but maybe next trip. Are people allowed to like? Okay, no.
Not this one.
I was gonna say because it's like, oh, it looks like it's
Like inviting almost.
yeah, it looks like it's designed like a pool, like you can walk in, at least till where the fence is. But they're like,
World War II one, that's you.
huh?
The World War II monument one.
Oh yeah,
Which I thought was
yeah.
nice. I didn't realize that.
Right? I think that's cool because it like provides the public with a nice little oasis.
Yeah.
So it's like they should let people stick their feet in the water.
Yeah.
Trunk one.
Okay.
What do you think? Yeah, I was about to ask that. 'Cause this looks like a little garden path. But that has a sign. Let's check the map. Oh, my back hurts. Oh, it's a separate garden. So there's like a garden here. I don't suppose that would be open if the big museum is closed.
Probably not.
Yeah. All the museums. So many museums. I don't know how anybody could see them all in one trip. This is crazy. I don't know what I was thinking.
We're ambitious.
Yeah. I mean, they did have time estimates. I didn't make up the time estimates, and they were like 2 to 3 hours, 1 to 2 hours. Impossible.
1 or 2 hours in any museum is crazy. I
Right?
feel like I would need at least 3. And even then, that would be kind of like a brisk pace.
Yeah.
Like, I feel like somebody probably could do the portrait gallery in 3 if they were, like, selective.
Mm-hmm. Oh, we picked different sides to go on. Yes! Oh, I picked the right spot to go. I love a bird. Bird habitat. Good job, Smithsonian. This is the important work you were put here to do. Is make important urban bird habitat. Happening in the urban bird habitat. They're seeking relief from the heat, just like us. The birds are just like us. Look, they're eating high-fat seeds and fruit for migration, and then they're just cold. They're hiding under a leaf. Just fly south for the winter like the other birds, buddy. That leaf won't protect you. What's happening? Boop. Trying to get a good picture of this. And there.
How do you know about the dust bunnies? That's cool.
Yeah. It's cute. It's really cute. Some of them do this behavior called anting, where they'll kind of lay and spread their wings out over an ant mound and have the ants kind of pick debris off them.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah. So I don't think this is the pollinator garden, otherwise it would say so. I think it's just like another cute garden space that they built, which I appreciate. I think this is a good use of tax dollars. I love this. More of this. More gardens. More bird space. Look at all this. Like, this is so great. It's like a bunch of native plants. Somebody, oh, that's really fragrant. Phlox and flowers. This is a really nice garden. Am I still recording? Yep, I am.
You got one at home, right? I feel like you like refer to it sometimes, like that you like a garden that you.
Oh yeah, but it's not like this because it's not being funded by the Smithsonian. This is, I could not do this. I would have to build an irrigation system if I did this.
The native plants, cool.
I love native plants. This is great. This is like, I love the framing. What plants best attract birds? Native plants. Replace ornamental invasives with native plants. Have beautiful flowers and delicious berries for birds.
I like thinking about how big berries are comparatively for birds. Where like I feel like for us they'd be like.
Oh yeah. I think like the top food for birds is always going to be bugs.
Yeah.
Which native plants are also good for native bugs. Nice and crunchy. War squid, yeah, lots of protein. All right, I don't know which direction we should go. Cool. Let's look that up. This is a fun journey. A journey of discovering. Okay. Not that way. We keep going that way. Can we go through here? Butterfly! Beautiful. What's this? They're doing something about the night. And they have a new bee exhibit.
That sounds good. Yeah, no, or we're covering our nights back up.
Interesting.
Trucks get moving.
Oh, I didn't realize these were so close. This is the Museum of Natural History. Just want to see the sign. And plants. Hundreds of millions of years, and they've been busy. They sure have. So how many floors is this?
I don't know.
Yeah. Gotta be tall to fit the dinosaur. Cool. So I've been told that this and the Air and Space Museum are the most popular.
I believe that. Yeah. It's got the one like here and then like off, but then there's the other one like that somebody mentioned a couple days ago, like in Virginia.
Okay. By the airport, right?
Yeah.
Air and Space. By the airport. I heard they have a piece of the space shuttle. So many great birds. Oh, a ginkgo tree. Today, the ginkgo we know is the last species of its kind. The last ginkgo. Conserved for medicinal use 1,000 years ago in China.
I like this way of looking at it. It's like libraries and that.
Huh. Department of Justice. So, no scales. Oh, is that the archives? Yep, those are the National Archives. We come back stealing the Declaration of Independence. The American elm tree. Majestic American elm.
Such helmets in the sky.
Trying to kill our trees. As if he hasn't done enough. It's a witness tree. We love a witness tree. It's a pink ones. Oh, that squirrel. Oh my gosh, it's so close.
That's what we were just saying.
Oh, wow. Wow. It's like a little puppy. Okay, this is the pollinator garden. Beautiful. This is something. And a spider. Little spider right there. What spider is this? This is a little grass spider, maybe? No. Okay. I was hoping it would climb on my finger. I wanted to show you. You could tell this one's a male. This. Oh, okay. It's not gonna. Never mind. You can't tell anything about it. It's running away.
But how did you see it?
Swollen pedipalps.
Okay.
And that's a carpenter bee. You can tell because it's big and it's got a black abdomen.
That surprised me, the thing about like how like 80% of bees don't live in colonies.
Oh yeah. Honeybees get a lot of attention because they're like our domesticated bee that we use for farming, but well, like the thing said, most bees are solitary. Most of our native bees are solitary bees. And actually like the farm animal honeybees kind of take their food and habitat because we keep big hives to pollinate our crops, and they also like fly out into wild forage and they eat that too. So they're out competing our native bees. It's very sad. Alright. Moving on.
Yeah.
Beetles. Moss and soil pollinators.
You know about the beach? Florida's the best, bro. Florida is the best, bro. I'm telling you. I've been to Florida.
I heard they rent that. They rent that.
Yeah, well, I don't know, man. Boy, if you go out there,
Moths.
that's right. Because they do a lot of stuff down there. They do transfer of the Florida.
Speaking of bugs, some of them are starting to bite me. Hummingbirds. That's why my hummingbird recipe is one part sugar to 4 parts water
Okay.
for my hummingbird feeder at home. It's like a cup of water, 1/4 cup sugar,
That's cool.
and it takes 2 cups to fill it. So it's half a cup of sugar. Crazy.
How can you refill it?
That. There's the Capitol building, and there's the Smithsonian Castle, and some more nice lawn space for people to sit. Oh, and a dead tree. This is what I was telling you before about how a lot of birds are dependent on standing dead trees to make homes in, because it's really hard to peck a hole through living wood. Unfortunately, people really like to cut down dead trees because like standing dead wood is a fire hazard and they fall on people's houses. But yeah, they're really important for pretty much everything that lives in trees, like in holes in trees, I mean, not just on the tree.
No, it's still there. It's a little creepy. It's open.
Yeah. Jeez. Look at a little branch pile back there. For somebody. "300 bird species in DC. I've seen less than 10 in a week. I haven't been birding. I bet if I went to the Teddy Roosevelt Island, I'd see a lot more. Oh yeah, that's true.
Would you talk to your resident?
Oh, I didn't, because somebody booked up the dates. I waited too long. It's my fault for hesitating. So somebody's coming Friday, so I gotta go. This is what the birds require. This is what they crave. Oh, I don't need to take a picture of that. I don't know. It's very sensible. Triceratops? Is there one here? Cool. Oh, there's one here.
Oh my god.
It's right there. Triceratops. Oh, gotta send that to Slacker.
Absolutely.
Slacker's gotta see this. Slacker's gotta
Like,
know.
got something that's not an oyster.
Cool. There's the Smithsonian Castle. Do you know anything about the Smithsonian Castle?
Not really. Sorry.
That's okay. I'll look it up. Oh,
Ooh.
so pointed these out to you. Starling, house sparrow.
Yeah.
We didn't see a cowbird. We did see some crows.
Mm-hmm. 6 inches. Like I knew they were small, but sometimes like seeing that is like makes
Yeah.
them seem even smaller.
They're tiny. And you see how big the starlings look compared to them.
Yeah.
Those 2 inches make a difference. Little birdies. Tiny little buddies. Saw this one. I think I saw this one too. Cornflower. Yeah, I think they should have a. I mean, the Natural History Museum should not have be the planetarium.
Yeah.
Natural. What's this one?
Oh, I thought it was.
Oh, this is the Natural History. Is it like the backside?
I think so. Yeah.
Oh. Huh. There it is. Take another. And there's a cute little dove. What are you doing there, little buddy? It's like on the Natural History that everybody came to see. Don't fly away. Get a picture of you. Being adorable. Oh my goodness. You are so cute. Oh, there's another species. Mourning dove. And an Australian shepherd. So that's the circulator that they're getting rid of?
Yeah, which is surprising. I was just waiting to take that picture to come back.
Yeah, it says DuPont Circle in Georgetown on the back.
Okay, so I wonder where you have to get on.
The mall, clearly.
Okay. But yeah, it's surprisingly good.
Me too. I would think with tourist traffic, they would have like a lot of ridership.
Yeah.
Because I thought the purpose was kind of to move people along the National Mall so they didn't have to walk from one museum to another. So maybe they're replacing it with something better. I hope so too. I feel like that's like something important to have since the museums are spread out across a few city blocks. And since there's so many tourists coming here to go to them. I don't get why they'd get rid of that.
I'm just kind of curious if it's like something, like if it's its own thing or if it's connected to like our metro system, WMATA.
Oh yeah, that would do it. If it's like a private company or something
Yeah.
and they lost a contract.